Atul Kumar Pandey. Today I deliver a speech on science and technology. Science and technology are important part of our day-to-day life. We get up early in the morning with the ringing of our alarm clock and go to bed at night after switching our lights off. All these luxuries which we are able to afford are resultant of science and technology. Most importantly, how can we all do in such a short time is because of the science and technology only. It is hard to imagine our life now without science and technology. New technologies are coming up which makes human life more easier and comfortable. It is science and technology which helped India to growth by its times. Thus we can say that we live in an era of science and technology. Essentially, science and technology have introduced us to the establishment of modern civilization. This contributes greatly to almost every aspect of our daily life. Benefits of science and technology. If we think about it, there are numerous benefits of science and technology. They ranges from the little things to the big ones. For instance, the newspaper which we read in the morning, which delivers reliable information, are result of scientific progress. In addition to this, many electrical appliances without which life is hard to imagine, like AC, refrigerator, microwave oven, washing machine and many more, are examples of technological advancement. Furthermore, if we look at the transport scenario, we find that science and technology have made an impact here as well. We can quickly get off to the other parts of the earth within seconds, all thanks to advancing technology. In addition to this, science and technology have enabled man to look further than our planet. The discovery of new planet and the establishment of satellites in space have enhanced the Indian economy and is all because of the very same science and technology. Similarly, science and technology have made an impact on medical and agricultural fields. Various cures for diseases now being discovered which save millions of lives. Moreover, science and technology have introduced us to the production of different crops benefiting the farmer largely. After gaining independence, it is science and technology which helped India advance by its times. All these conclusions, in other words, science and technology and all the incredible and scientific advancement of our country have enhanced the Indian economy. Moreover, we should utilize the resources in limited extent and in use perspective. Misuse of science and technology can cause harmful consequences. In conclusion, we must admit that science and technology have enabled man to achieve perfection in living. Misuse of science and technology can cause very harmful and dangerous consequences. Therefore, we must utilize the actions and be wise in our actions. Thank you.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से तात्पर्य है कि मनुष्यों द्वारा बनाई गई ऐसी मशीनें जो मनुष्य के जैसे सोच सकती हैं, बोल सकती हैं और मनुष्य के सारे वो कार्य कर सकती हैं जो मनुष्य कर सकता है, उसी को आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कहते हैं। इससे मनुष्यों को फ़ायदा तो हुआ है, जैसे कि उनके काम का बर्डन कम हुआ है, पर इससे इस देश को एक बहुत बड़ा नुकसान और इस देश के युवाओं को बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है, क्योंकि उनकी जगह अब जो रोबोट्स तैयार हो रहे हैं वो उनके सारे कार्य उसी तरीके से कर सकते हैं जैसे वो कर सकते हैं। तो इससे इस देश में बेरोज़गारी की समस्या बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ती जा रही है। वैसे ही भारत देश में बेरोज़गारी की समस्या बहुत ज़्यादा है और इस आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के आने से काफ़ी ज़्यादा युवाओं को बेरोज़गार रहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि उनके जो सारे कार्य हैं वो रोबोट्स उनसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं। इसलिए इस आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का फ़ायदा तो बहुत है, पर एक तरह से इसका एक ड्रॉबैक, ये बहुत बड़ा ड्रॉबैक है कि इससे युवाओं को आने वाले समय में बहुत ज़्यादा बेरोज़गारी की समस्या को झेलनी पड़ सकती है।
नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी से आप क्या समझते हैं?
नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग in which atoms and molecules can be manipulated at nanoscale. For example, nanotechnology can increase the surface area of material. Thank you.